I want to talk to you about my perfect cheese plate. This is my go-to setup for all of my cooking classes and for any time that I have company over. It makes people so happy. They can't get enough of it. And the nice thing is it takes me about a minute and a half to put together. First of all, I always keep a jar of fig jam in my fridge. It's delicious, it's perfect with cheese. I find it at Whole Foods, easy, done. Next, I choose a cheese that I like. This here is Manchego. It's a Spanish sheep's milk cheese. For someone like me who has a little bit of trouble digesting milk, sheep's milk and goat milk cheeses are a lot easier on the system. Plus, they are like 10 times better than most cow milk cheeses. My favorite crackers are these special Mary's Gone crackers, special because I just love them. They're wheat-free, they're gluten-free, they're made with all of these different seeds. This box is original. I had got it in at Costco, but if you buy it at a regular market or at Whole Foods or a specialty market, I personally love the herb-flavored ones that have a hint of rosemary. They're healthy and they taste so good. So basically, you put it together like this. You take a little fig jam, put it on the cheese. Sometimes you need to show your guests what to do because they don't know what to do with all this stuff. You cut a little piece of cheese off, put it on, and you have a bite. It's delicious. Before I finish, and I'm going to talk with my mouth full, olives. Get your olives from an olive bar. You don't want to serve your guests olives that come from a jar. These big green ones, they're called Cerignola or Cerignola. I don't know exactly how to pronounce them. I love them. They are my favorites. And my wine of choice that goes with my cheese plate is Prosecco. Light, delicious, crisp, all time of year. Voila, here you go. Enjoy, share with your guests. Buon appetito.